Best 5G mobile phones in India. You can buy to be prepared for Jio 5G launch in second half of 2021. Reliance Jio has announced that it will premiere its 5G networks in India by the end of 2021. Mukesh Ambani said revealed that Reliance Jio will pioneer the 5G revolution in India in the second half of 2021. With this, the fifth generation of cellular mobile communication would be soon available in India, hopefully. Although many experts believe that we are still a couple of years away from having a mainstream adoption of 5G networks in the country, that doesn't mean we cannot be prepared. We have seen a lot of smartphone brands trying to push the talks of 5G in India by launching a new range of 5G capable phones. Big brands like Xiaomi, Samsung, Apple, OnePlus, and Mo have already launched their future-proof 5G smartphones in India at different price points. So, in this article, we will talk about the best 5G mobile phones available in the country right now. So, if you are vouching for Reliance Jio to bring 5G networks in India and want a smartphone that works well with 5G networks, you should check out these smartphones.